For the 5580 controller, which has been shipping for a couple years now, I started working on that probably 5 years before it shipped. The first 3 years, it was all on paper. You're doing a lot of planning, a lot of PowerPoints, a lot of design documents, and then all of a sudden you get that first prototype in and you're excited to try to power it up. Everyone's looking forward to that coming in the door. It's a big deal when it comes in the door and the hardware team brings it up and it doesn't smoke, and actually the lights come on, and you get a whole lot of happy faces when lights start to blink. And you're literally still 2 years away from the time when you get that first piece of hardware to the time that the customer gets it. And when you actually do ship it, it's kind of a culmination of all those years of work coming together, all those teams. Many people had a hand in it from the beginning, small team, to the end when you might have hundreds of people working on it. And to actually go out to a customer site, to go to an automotive plant, to go to a paper mill, to go to a food and beverage place, and actually see how they're applying it. It's just amazing to know that the code that I wrote or the designs that I came up with years later are doing so many things, so many different things. But you know that that's just the end of the beginning, because you're now starting on the next one. And for the next 5 years, you'll be doing the next one. But it never gets old to hear feedback from customers saying, wow, this controller's great, or we didn't expect it to be as good as it was. So that's always a good feeling. My name's Jim Kay. I've worked at Rockwell / Allen Bradley for 32 years.